Now the next milestone is going to be like getting this thing outside and like washing it. You know what I mean? Like how much dust? 8 years worth of dust on here?
Alright. Goal for today is get the seat in the truck. So, morning Nate.
Okay.
What's up, bro?
Good, man.
Good. We're gonna tear out all this shit in here. Get that sound bending mat down and redo the insulation. And then seat belts.
Optional.
And seats. We'll be good to go.
Heartboy. Heartboy.
Yeah, we really got like 2 sheets of this left, and we got to go over the cowl yet, right? And like I don't know, this mat, like you got the fuse box mounted to it. You got the steering wheel going through it. It can be on the metal rack up there.
We'll do the hump here. We'll do this little piece, and then we'll get the gas tank back in. We'll fucking put the seat in. And then I'll take care of that later, because I gotta get some more, I guess, right? Don't worry about it right now. I gotta be under there doing wiring and shit anyhow, man, don't worry.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah? Yeah? Oh yeah!
Chuki got the sauce, bitch.
Get the rest of the back of the cab covered up with some more matting. And then they're going to take a break. Crank a beer. Enjoy this sunny day. All this work for installing a seat. I want to sit down already.
That's it.
Look at this beautiful truck.
Let the blue driving with those details in?
Beautiful, beautiful green pickup truck. Dodge. Mopar. Mopar. Here. We got a bolt here.
Oh,
I guess this bolt here would be for like if you wanted a third third seatbelt, which we're not gonna do.
No, we're not.
You want to make it wide?
Yeah, might as well go to that one, right?
Cross-threaded.
Yeah, you gotta cross-thread it for extra strength, right?
T-minus 5 minutes to be sitting in this.
I know,
cushion.
man.
The first time in how many years? 8 years? 10 years? To resit in this truck.
Too long, man.
From rolling in with it as a rusted, you know, truck that just needed a little love, a little attention, a lot of money, and piles of time.
Yeah, there's another piece here that's a little shorter. I think I'll put it in.
What are we talking about?
This piece here. I got another one that's shorter.
Okay. It's like half that distance to bring the wheel up a little bit. Oh, dude, it feels like a truck.
Oh yeah.
See, I can visualize my arm out the window.
Yeah, man. Flasher. Headlights will be here.
Look at this fucking dash right here.
It's gonna look good, man. It's gonna look good.
Too bad you couldn't get like a tilt steering on it.
Well, I like the old school, real simple, you know.
It's a straight shaft, but imagine you had that little tilt.
A little bit of a tilt. It would
So
be
you
nice
could
to have
tip
a
it
little
up,
bit, so.
tip it down.
I don't mind.
But you could also put a smaller wheel on too.
Nah, man, I like the big fucking steering wheel, bro. You know what I mean?
Grip it and rip it.
Yeah, I'll have to. If that comes up a little bit, that'll help.
Alright.
Alright, let's get up.
Let's walk and get a truck.
Oh shit, man! Well, we did it, eh? Fucking did it.
You sure did, Luke.